In the face mill mid-pass and face mill ZigZag operations, a new toggle has been introduced that enables you to inherit the part stock as the final floor stock. Taking a look at this new feature inside of NXCam, we'll first open the face mill mid-pass operation. Opening the operation, you will see there's a use final floor stock same as part stock toggle added. Inside the face mill ZigZag operation, the toggle is in the same location. For the current toolpath, it is switched to off, and the floor stock set to 0.2 millimeters. If I rotate my part, you can see I am 0.2 millimeters from the surface of the part. Toggling the part to use a final floor stock same as part stock, you can see my toolpath has now shifted to be the same as my part stock. In this case, it's set to 10 millimeters, and this is being inherited from the machining method, which can be found in the tolerance and clearance section, or inside of the machining method view tab. We're using mill rough. Generating the toolpath will give me the expected results.